Do you want the best Wisconsin marketing solutions to help your business grow? Waukesha County, Wisconsin-based digital marketing agency, Relentless Digital, has launched an updated service range. The full range of newly updated services includes website design, SEO and GMB management, social media marketing, and more. As a local marketing agency, the team at Relentless Digital strives to give clients the tools they need to succeed online. Relentless Digital have a results-backed approach to their marketing campaigns and can tailor their approach to individual company metrics. One of their most popular services is website design. A well-designed, engaging website can reach a wider audience and help make a better impression on customers. Find out more at relentlessdigital.com.